Hey guys, Keithy6 here, metal detecting in Alaska. It's a rainy Sunday here in Fairbanks, Alaska, and me and my grandson Joe are trying to figure out what to do. So we're thinking about going over to the Tanana Lakes and doing a little bit of metal detecting. What do you say, Joe?
I'd say that's gonna be awesome, man. We're gonna find a lot of cool stuff there, and we haven't been there this year, so.
Yeah, and plus it needs cleaned up.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll see you there. All right, let's go. Well, we made it here. Let's get ready and hit the beach. Glad I'm wearing my bounty hunter hoodie because this thing's gonna keep me warm. All right, so today we're going to use two bounty hunters. I'm going to use the Bounty Hunter Tracker Pro, and I just used the universal rain cover here. And then my grandson's going to use the Bounty Hunter Time Ranger Pro. And let's go ahead and get out here and see what we can find. And it's just a light sprinkle right now. Here we go. Some brave people kayaking over there in the pouring rain. You find all kinds of cool stuff on the beach. Now I'm getting my first target right above that. Oh wow, it was this. It has like a gold trim around it. Cool. Well, it's kind of a cool day today here. I think it's only like 48 or so. Good day to go metal detecting. Always find lots of bobby pins. Joe hasn't even made it 50 yards off the entrance yet. He must be getting some targets. I think I see it right there. My first coin of today. A penny. Nice. All right. Hopefully we'll find a lot more. Oh, look at this. Laying right on the top, a gold earring. Sweet. Nice. We'll have to look at it when we get home and see if it has any markings on it. Cool find. I hope Joe's finding some cool stuff. Trash. Let's get that off the beach. And this is something that we find a lot of out here. Beer bottle caps. I expect to have a pouch full of these. Not sure what this is. Oh wow. Look at that. Nice. It's like a little pearl. All right, let's keep looking. It's Still pouring the rain down. Check that out. I found a little wire whisk. The thing I like about metal detecting the most. You just never know what you're gonna find. Alright. Cool. The last few times I was out here, a big old eagle would come and land on that treetop and just sit and watch me. It was kind of cool. Hopefully we'll see him today. Sure wish I'd have brought my sand scoop. Another penny. Well, I guess I should have checked the area a little bit better. There's a few little coins to fill. Oh, look at there. Hey, look at that, a quarter. You know what that is? Some big money. Whoop. Sweet. All right, let's scan the rest of this area. Look at this, guys. I like hunting in the rain. Check this out. Is this a ring? Oh, it is. Sweet. It's like just an old copper ring or something. I'm not sure. Sweet. All right, guys. First ring of the day. I'm looking at you. Always get sand. Sweet. All right. The Tracker Pro does it again. This thing's a good machine for something you can buy under $100. Awesome. Let's keep looking. This looks like a dragon on the beach. It's like a big island. Joe's waving me over. Let's see what he found. Joe's got him a target here on the volleyball court. A lady just stopped by and said they had a gathering of over 100 people here. Did you find something? Look at that, man. I told you the volleyball courts are good places to look. But a lady stopped by just a little bit ago walking her dog, and she said there was a gathering of over 100 people just right here last night. So we've been searching this out. Look, Joe just found a ring. All right, you know what to do, Joe. I'm looking at you with ring number 2, baby. Woohoo! All right. Now you never know, Joe. That might be silver. Sweet. All right, we're gonna start working our way out to the car because we're cold and wet. Yeah. And thirsty. Ooh, sandy. Stick them in backwards. All right, so let's go home and get ready for the roundup.
Yeah.
Well, hey guys, me and Joe are back in the metal detecting mothership, and it's time for the roundup. You ready for the roundup, Joe?
Yeah, man.
Well, here's everything we found on today's rainy Sunday beach hunt. Joe found a lot of trash, so good job getting that trash off the beach, Joe. He found some caps, bottle caps, a lot of trash. Looks like a paper clip, some bobby pins. He found a couple pennies. He found a dime, 1 nickel, 2 quarters. And we kept finding these cool looking shells all over the beach. These are the ones Joe found. And then the good stuff Joe found was, look at this. He found this shiny little silver ring over on the volleyball courts. And then he found this sweet little diamond earring. Check that out. But I tell you what, that looks real for sure. And I've brought my diamond tester out here to test it out. So let's test that real quick. Alright, let's test this diamond. Unfortunately, Joe, I don't think it's real.
Oh, come on.
Well, better luck next time.
No.
I think Joe also found the back to that earring, too. Metal detector finds little objects. Okay, now over to what I found. Look at all these seashells I found. And then, of course, I picked up a lot of trash, too. Bottle caps, Mr. Pool tab, button, bobby pins, a keychain, big wad of aluminum foil, a fishing weight. Whoops. I found 5 pennies, 1 nickel, 3 dimes, and 6 quarters. I found this old earring. I found this cool looking little seashell with a pearl. And then I found what looks like an old copper ring. It's got a weird color to it. No markings in any of this stuff. And here's my gold colored earring. Couldn't find any markings on that either. And then I found this seashell that is all surrounded by like a gold trim. So that's kind of cool. So it was a pretty good day hunting with Joe out at the beach at the Tanana Lakes. Alright, until next time, everybody out there have good luck and happy hunting, and we'll see you on the next hunt. Later!
Later!
Hey guys, Keepy6 here, metal detecting in Alaska. It's a rainy Sunday here in Fairbanks, Alaska, and me and my grandson Bill are trying to figure out what the heck to do. I know we're going to try to do some metal detecting, so why don't we go out to the Tanana Lakes, Joe? Do some beach metal detecting.